Hello, this is Card Cartoons, and today I decided to do back-to-back reviews because I had a movie being uploading lately, and so I wanted to upload more. So this, as you can see here, this is my sketchbook, my new sketchbook. Well, it's not exactly new, but compared to my other sketchbooks right here, excuse me here, my other sketchbooks here, it's pretty new. So it's a 100-page sketchbook, and you also noticed that I also did drawings, other drawing videos in this sketchbook as well. As you can see here, it's my first drawing, the first drawing I did in the sketchbook, the aliens, or alien species. I haven't got the name for these alien species yet, but I I do they do I just call them aliens instead because they're only aliens that appear in my Skype Discovery comics. And see here, the alien queen, and here's the alien species right here. Here's Link from the Legend of Zelda series that I drew. And here's another video that I did, the other video, drawing video I did of Wishy Wishy Lancer. And here's Belle, who was inspired by Samus, because I played a lot of Super Metroid on my Switch. You know, Super Metroid in the old Super Nintendo game, Super Metroid. So I created this character called Belle. Her name is Belle, and she's a bounty hunter. And here's a dragon that I decided to color. Cool coloring drawing of a chubby dragon. a baby chubby dragon. Red and blue. Looks very good. I'm getting really good at this coloring stuff. And here is Colton from Colton is Kaiju, who's a Capara. I don't know what the fighting style is called, but it's a Brazilian fighting style invented by the Africans that were transported near Brazil. And here's another Kaiju character from Colton is Kaiju. Then my other sketchbook tour video. Here's me trying to draw realistically, and I failed. Yeah, kind of looks kind of messed up in his kind of receding hairline right here near his ear. Yeah, that's kind of bad. That's at least what I think it is. I think it's bad, but if you think it's good, then you leave it in the comment section if you think of what you think of it. And here's Minnie the Dragon from the Flightless Dragon comic that I drew my other sketchbook. And here's Drake the Dragon from the Flightless Dragon comic. And here's a drawing of a meerkat. Those type of burrowing mongooses that live in Africa. This was one series that I loved when I was a kid called Meerkat Manor on Animal Planet. Animal Planet really needs to get back to King documentaries again. That's when it was cool. Here's a centaur, an Afro centaur. It's more horse than human, but you know it's an Afro as well because he has arms as well. Here's a flying lion. Forgot what it's called again, but it's a lion with wings. Here's a kaiju, another kaiju dragon character. It's more of a dragon. And here's a cute goblin girl that I decided to draw in color. Yeah. And here's Vicky the squirrel again. I drew more detailed drawing of her. And here's me trying to draw Drake the dragon with different styles. And of course, the best one I think is the best one is actually this one right here, the original one. The other styles doesn't look right to me. And here is CR4, Chris, and Megan from Scrappy Discovery comic. It's called Super Sci-Fi in my sketchbook, but I changed the name to Scrappy Discovery because Super Sci-Fi doesn't really sound that original, so I changed the name. Here's a Dachshund, my favorite dog breed. Those wiener dogs, kind of funny looking. And here's another kaiju character with giant spikes on his back. Pretty much love kaijus. And here's a martial artist. And for those you, kind of looks like Anton from one of Karate Bug's animation videos I do. And here is Speedy from the Flightless Dragon comic. My artist sketchbook tour video. I did his comic on that one. Here's a werewolf. My brother really likes this one because I do more detailed drawing of the werewolf and stuff. Here is Pat the Pummeler and Sarah, and his wife Sarah, two wrestlers. Here's a Minotaur flexing. And here is Luna the Vampire Bat from Werewolf. I drew my art notebook. I'll leave it in the description if you guys want to check out my art notebook to see where this character came from. And here's a dragon taking up most of the page. Another dragon. I usually like drawing mythical creatures and stuff. And here's a turtle kaiju with most of his shell take up most of his body. Here is I forgot what this car was called again. Yeah, never mind.